As you can see, I got everything put back together. Everything's all put back. You can see the body lines on the door look perfect. Anyways, let's see how well it opens now. Okay. Ta-da! Yeah, I got it all put back, the little things on there. Everything's where it's supposed to be. Yeah. It was a different part number. The part number on the package, I'll tell y'all what it is in a minute. But anyways, the letters were different. So it was a different part, but it looks the same. Alright, last thing, see the part number right here? This is 51478AL00B. Okay, that's the old part. New part is 51478AL00C. So they have the exact same part number, except for the last letter. You know, the old part's a B, the new part's a C. But other than that, but yeah, they are different parts. So I'll give them that.